I think Cary Grant was a brilliant actor.
Why?
Why do I think he was?
Yes.
Because I've seen a lot of his old films, and he could do anything. He really was trained as a clown. So he was very, very good at comedy, but I also saw him do serious roles. And he was very good in serious roles. I think he was the most underrated actor of his generation. I don't think he ever won an Academy Award for any of his performances. I hate Marlon Brando. I hate James Dean. I don't like method actor type people.